Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing and flip through. Today we are going to take a look at the Hedgewitch Botanical Oracle by Siolo Thompson, the person who did the Line Strider Tarot as well. So I'm excited about this. This retails, at least here, for $27.99. It is an oracle published by Llewellyn, and it says, "Wisdom from the Boundary Lands. Let the spirits of the plants be your allies and friends. This gracefully illustrated deck will support you with insights gleaned from traditional herb lore, providing guidance and perspective from the thin places between one world and another. Designed to awaken your natural intuition, this collection of 40 elegant botanical cards from the creator of the Line Strider Tarot draws inspiration from healers and helpers who work in the mysterious realms of wilderness and spirit." So 40 cards and a 192-page color instruction book. I'm super excited. Okay. So, like most Llewellyn decks, it flips open. Ooh, I've already already removed the plastic wrap around the cards too, just so you guys don't have to see me struggle. All right, so that is what the inside looks like, and I'm going to try to brighten this up a little bit. Maybe, we'll see. There we go. So I'm in a new space and the lighting has been weird lately, trying to figure all of that out. So just thank you for your patience. All right. So before we get into the deck, let's take a look at the guidebook real fast. Field guide. Oh, that is adorable. Okay. So we have how to use the cards on foraging and plant use. And then the index of cards, closing thoughts and sources and suggested readings, additional recipes using foraged ingredients. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. This collection of 40 botanical cards draws inspiration from the grimoire of the hedge witches, wise folk who walk the thin spaces between worlds. In this book, you will find descriptions of the plants illustrated on the cards, where to find them, and how they were used in past times, and the ways in which we still employ them. Each lovingly illustrated card in the deck includes an oracle property that can provide guidance to a seeker or meditative focus to the querent. All right. More information for you about how it was created, and then how to use the cards. So they can be used as an oracle deck or as flashcards with this book as a study guide. Okay. I'm excited. I don't know if you guys know this, but I live for plants. I have quite the extensive collection of indoor plants, as well as a garden outside that sometimes likes to thrive. But right now it is not thriving at its best, just simply due to our current weather here where I live. So it's been fun trying to figure that out. So then it has on foraging and plant use, and then we have the index of cards here. I don't know if you guys picked up, but like I really enjoy doing these videos, like talking to you like you were my bestie. So hopefully that comes across in it, because I just like having these really relaxed conversations, even though they seem to be one-sided. And I love hearing your guys' response in the comments. So it's fun. I really do enjoy, you know, it's like having a little chat with my friends about stuff that I love. So anyway, let's get into the oracle cards. Ooh, look at that. Love it. Oh my goodness. It's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Love. Okay. So here we go. Again, I feel like it's going to be very minimalistic, like the Line Strider deck with the imagery. So we have bearberry, and I'm assuming that's Latin word for it, but we have strength. Adaption. Okay. Oh, so it's not an alphabetical order of the words, but it looks like it is as far as what the name of the plant is. There are no numbers. There are no borders. The cardstock is very much like the like any of the other Llewellyn decks. So same size, same, you know, as far as the tarot deck goes. So it's very much the same as the Line Strider. Let's put it at that, or compare it to that. Sustain. Oh, I'm loving this. Okay, sorry. Oh, the artwork is just beautiful. Oh. Yeah, I love that it's just a little bit of color. I love that you get the name, you get the, you know, the generic name, and you get the scientific name, we'll say, because I'm not sure if that's Latin or not. And then what it is, what it represents, I should say. Okay, let's focus. There we go. Goodness sake. Yeah, it feels really good in the hand. I love the art. I love the different meanings down here. How fun. I love too that you can use it as your own little foraging book. Do any of you already own this out there? I would love to know how you feel about it and what you use it for. Sage, yes, love it. I love how like unique the art is. It's very beautiful. Okay, so now that we went through, let's shuffle them. I'm sure they're going to be fine. Yup. Yep, just fine. No complaints. So it is a little bit more expensive for an Oracle deck with only 40 cards at $27.99. But let's see about the information, because to me, that's kind of like what you're paying, what you're buying the card for, okay? We have Attract. So Violet. Well, let's see how it works here. Does it have a table of contents for each one? No. It starts at 13 though. Okay. So that, it's Violet, so I'm sure it's going to be in the back. We'll see here. Is it? Yeah, I think it's still in alphabetical order. Yeah, here we go. So Violet. Oh my goodness. I think that's going to be the most annoying part of this guidebook when you use it, is trying to find each card meaning. But it is in alphabetical order in the guidebook, so there's that. That's at least really good, right? So we have Violet. It's for Attract. Wood Violet, Sweet Violet, Banafsa, Common Violet. And it says, the flowers and leaves of this common perennial have long been popular for their sweet scent and have been used in the production of many cosmetic fragrances and perfumes for centuries. In herbal medicine tradition, the flowers and leaves of viola and another name for the flower, are made into a syrup used to treat congestion, coughing, and sore throats. Sweet violet has a long history of medicinal use, and it contains ciliatic acid, an ingredient used to make aspirin and commercial acne treatment that is effective in the treatment of headaches, migraines, and insomnia. The viola flowers are also edible and used as food additives. They can be eaten raw in salad, made into jelly, or employed as an additive to chocolates and candies. The essential oil from the flowers and leaves is is used to make perfume and in the manufacture of breath fresheners. Violet candies and breath fresheners are were very popular in Victorian times. That I never knew. Interesting. You can candy your own violets at home. Gather the blossoms, wash them gently, and set them on a paper towel to dry. Okay, then it gives you a recipe for that. The violet is a lovely, sweet-smelling and sweet-tasting plant that attracts humans as well as butterflies and bees, leading to its oracle. I swear I can read. Oh my gosh, why is this lighting? I swear. Okay. I apologize, but you know, we're trying here. We're trying. Okay, so that leading to its oracle property, attract. This plant reminds me of the adage about catching more flies with honey than with vinegar, nudging us toward diplomacy instead of confrontation. While I definitely believe in standing up for oneself and voicing opinions, I've also learned the value of making space for others, being considerate, and simple civility. Often others will gravitate toward us and be more attracted to us if we just allow them the space to do so. As an oracle card, this reminds me of the Empress and the Queen of Pentacles. Fierce, powerful ladies who also know how to nurture and, of course, attract others. The creative and romantic Knight of Cups is another good match for this card. Other names, Wood Violet, Sweet Violet. Okay, I've already read that. And then oracle property obviously is to attract. Okay, so a lot of information there. I'm super stoked. So no real big complaints there other than it's going to take you a minute to try to find the flower or the plant, I should say, in the book. So it's not a huge complaint. I wish there were maybe more cards just because they're so beautiful and I feel like maybe there could have been more. But honestly, you can find this deck for like a little bit less than retail now since it's been out for a while on certain sites. You can find it maybe a little bit less than its retail. Obviously, you know, you're getting what you pay for. I feel like in this package here, I have no complaints. I really don't. I think if you're drawn to this, then I would suggest purchasing it. I think it's great for beginners. It leaves you enough space to use your intuition. It gives you one keyword and then you can go and interpret that however your intuition wants to. I guess I should say that way. Sure. So yeah, you're going to have a really good plant-based oracle here. It's a little bit different than the Magical Herb Oracle by, I can't remember the name right now, but I uploaded that recently. So it's a little bit different than that. I feel like you have a little bit more in-depth information here in a different way than you do with the magical herbs, whereas that one is more maybe Book of Shadows based. This is more like giving you an overview of information about the cards. But let me know what you think. Do you own this? Is this something that you would want to own? What would you use it for? Would you use it strictly for like flashcard purposes and learning about the plants? Or would you use it for the divination purposes? I'm very curious. Is this something that you're attracted to? Attract. Let me know down in the comments. I love seeing your guys' opinions and what you use things for. I just love it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you'll never miss a video upload from me. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.